Hey guys, so, well, that probably looked and sounded real, but okay, so I forgot to film the intro, so we're just gonna get straight into this makeup look, and I don't know what I'm doing with myself. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face with my Smashbox Primerizer. Sorry, I'm really loopy right now. And by the way, don't pay attention to my nose, because I obviously don't have none right now. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and do that. And first, I wanted to tell y'all that I did my eyebrows already off camera. I went in with that NYX brow pencil and this brow gel, and I cleaned it up with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. And yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna be going in with is this Shade and Light palette, and I'm just gonna be setting my eyelids with that banana shade color just to even out my skin tone, because we're going to be working with really bright colors today. So we want to make sure they pop. So I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Morphe palette for this makeup look. And for the first shade I'm going to be going in is this beigey color. I'm really bad at explaining, but yeah. We're going to just put this in the crease and basically all over my eyelid with this fluffy crease brush. And next I'm going to be going in with this tan shade, and I'm going to be putting that color in the crease of my eyeball with that same shade, with that same brush. And after that I'm going to be going in with this burnt orange color, more brownie burnt orange color, and I'll be deepening up the crease with that, with this more flat tapered brush. And I'm just gonna try to focus this more in my crease and not really putting it everywhere on my eye. As you can tell, I'm really trying to focus it and deepen up that color little by little. Now, to deepen up my crease even more, I'm gonna be going in with that more brighter burnt orange color. As you can see, it added a lot of intensity and a lot of color to my eyes. And to deepen up even more, I'm gonna be going in with this dark brown color, more of a dark brown maroony color to make it more, I guess, smoky and a deeper color. And I'm going to be putting that in, then I'm going to be blending that out with a more fluffier brush after I put that color in. And just to make sure I blend it out, make sure there's no harsh lines, because we don't want no harsh lines, girls and guys. So yeah, and next I'm going in with that dark brown shade with this very small detail brush. I freaking love this brush, especially for my small eyes. And I'm just gonna take my time, just blend it in the outer 3/4 or outer third of my eye, and I'm just gonna slowly bring it in. And after that, I'm gonna be going in with this blue shade, this teal shade from the palette, and I'm putting this on with my fingers because I tried putting it on with the brush and it did not work at all. I mean, it worked, but it wasn't as tense as it is with my fingers. So use your fingers. And with the brush, I'm going to be going with that shade again. I'm just going to blend it out into the crease. So you can tell it gave my crease a more deeper, sultry look, and it looks really nice. And so I'm going to be going in with that brown shade again to deepen up my crease, just to deepen it more than it already is. And after that, I'm going to be going in with that sparkly blue shade and spraying that with some setting spray. And I'm putting this on the very middle of my eyes just to add like a little highlight color, because I've been using nothing but matte shades and I wanted it to pop a little bit more. So I'm going in with this dome shaped brush to blend it out so it will blend seamlessly into the other teal shade. And I'm just going to be going back and forth to make sure it blends out as nice as I want it, and making sure the color payoff does not go away. So now that I'm done with the eyes, I'm going to wipe off all the fallout from that blue shade. As you can tell, there's a lot of fallout. And I'm going to re-prime my face because I obviously took off the moisturizer. And I'm going to be putting on my foundation, and I'm going to be using this Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. And when full coverage, they mean full coverage. And I'm blending this in with my EcoTools beauty blender, or my EcoTools sponge. And I'm working in sections because this does kind of, if you don't blend it in right away when you put it on, it does kind of like dry up, and you can see where it's more where you put the stuff, where I put the stuff on my fingers. So now I'm going to be putting on my concealer, which is my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Light, and I'm basically concealing everywhere where I need to be concealed. And I'm just going to blend that in with my sponge again. Now I'm going to be baking eggs and bacon. Sorry. I'm going to be baking my under eyes, and then after that I'm going to be setting my face, the rest of my face, with that same Coty Airspun powder. And as you can tell, my face looks super pale, but that's going to be fixed in a minute after I set my face. And after I do my contour, I'm going to, obviously as you can see, I'm doing my contour. And I'm basically contouring everywhere where I want it to be contoured at, because your girl got a round face and she needs to be snatched to the gods. I'm just kidding. But really though, I need to be snatched. And for blush, I'm going in with this Milani blush. And I'm, okay, so with this blush, it's alright, but it's not my favorite. It's not a matte blush. It does have a little bit of shimmer in it, but it's okay. Not my favorite. So for highlighter, which is my favorite, I'll be going in with this Becca Champagne Pop that Jaclyn Hill created. Well, yeah, collaborated with her. And I'm putting this basically in my cheekbones, on my nose, and then after I'm done with that, I'm going to be getting this small detail brush and I'm going to be putting it on the Cupid's bow of my lips, I guess. And I thought it was too intense, and then I just put more on because I'm weird. And then I'm putting it as my brow bone highlight, and now I'm going to be sweeping away my bake, because we baking and we done with the bacon, because yeah, we just done. And now I'm going to be setting my face to make sure my face doesn't look powdery, basically. And then before it dries down, I'm going back in with that highlighter, and I'm just making it more intense, as you can tell. And now I'm just trying to like dry my face, because I need to do the bottom eyeshadow, because right now it just looks crazy. So yeah, now I'm going to be going in with that tan shade again like I did on top, and I'm just going to be buffing that on the bottom of my eyes. Sorry it's blurry, my camera just did not want to focus right now. And I'm going in with that orange shade to deepen it up, I'm putting it closer to my lash line. The darker the color, the closer to the lash line you want it, is basically what is happening that you couldn't see. So after I did that, I took off my foundation for my lips. I'm putting on this NYX lip liner and this Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick from one of her holiday mini sets. It's in the color Ginger, I believe. And I really like this lipstick. It goes really well with the warm tones in my eyeshadow. I don't know, I just really like the way it looked. And yeah, that's about it. Actually, JK, because I'm going to be putting mascara on, duh. I'm putting the roller lash on, and then I put some fake eyelashes on. And here's a little close-up. And yeah, that's about it. So this is the look. I hope you like it, because I did. But yeah, bye. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye. I'm over here playing PUBG. Thank you if you made it. Oh. Bye. 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 Bye.